So today I'm here with Sogoodhair, and I know you're probably wondering, where is the box? Sue, where's the box? The box unfortunately got damaged, okay, and that happened through shipping, so I'm sorry about that. You know, there was no way to really present this bomb hair, so yeah, that's what happened. But this wig is from Sogoodhair today. You guys know I've been with Sogoodhair in the past, so I'm happy for this. Before we jump into the wig, let's see what else came into the box. So I got this little bag here with, you know, little goodies. So let's see what we got. Oh, I got a bonnet, and it is branded Sogoodhair. That is cute mauve color. That's nice. And then I got another little bag with a wig cap, comb, hairpins. I got extra little comb you can put inside the wig if you need to. I got, you know, this elastic band. I got a pair of tweezers. Oh, there's so much. I got this headband. It's you can use this to tie down your wig front or whatever. Branded Sogoodhair. I got also actually got 4 of these combs you can put inside your wig in case you need more security, and that's for everything that came in this package. So we got a full-on nice wavy wig hair. This is beautiful. It feels so soft. I love the feeling. I'm not sure if there's like any product in this, but I feel like 100% sure. But yeah, it's really soft. It does feel like a little bit like when you put product in something, but I'm not seeing anything on my hand. So this hair is really nice. It comes pre-bleached, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it has an extra elastic band for more security if you need that. Yeah, it looks really good. It comes pre-plucked, so that is nice. Gonna blend in really nicely. The name of this wig is the Kyra Body Wave 13x4 Skin Melt HD Swiss lace lace front wig. It's 22 inches long, by the way, and it's 150% in density. It's an average cap size. It's medium, and I do have a coupon code for this, guys. It's SUE10. All right, so you can go ahead, use that code to get some dollars off. So I'm excited to go ahead and install this, guys, because listen, right now my hair is a mess. For the last week, I only changed my wig twice. You guys know I change my wig so often, so I'm happy to go ahead and install this fresh new wig. And yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into that.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you. The sky. Lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling.
Guys, I must say the lace definitely melted so nicely. Like right here is very much melted. You could definitely go in and make it more graduation. You could do more more of a graduated look here in the front in terms of plucking. But for now it's fine for me. I'm just gonna go ahead, do my little swoops, nothing too, you know, dramatic. And yeah.
That I get when looking down from the sky. Give up this
So guys, I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb. I feel like I want to do a pull back vibe, like wet vibe with this, because I really like the meltdown of the lace. It looks really good. So I don't think I'm not getting the vibe to like do a parting today, so I'm not going to. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm literally just going to, this is like a nice loose wavy texture, so I'm gonna go ahead, get it damp and just brush it out. I more feel like I want to put just my mousse in there because it's not like extremely curly or anything. Oh, I am getting some shedding, by the way. It's minimal, but yes, shedding is definitely there, so just so that you know. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of put my mousse throughout this and brush it out. Yeah, that's the vibe with it, guys. That is the vibe. Just pull back, you know, nothing too serious. You can completely just pull it back. I really didn't want to do a parting today. The lace melted really, really nicely. Really nicely, effortlessly. And it looks good, it feels good. Yeah. So I like that about it. I'm gonna be sure to list all the specifications on this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. Go ahead and check that out. You see that? Yeah, nice messy loose waves, very pretty. Sogoodhair, you did it with that, so that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna put the direct link where you can get this wig if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Also, I list the discount code, you know, all the specifications, all that good stuff. So go ahead, check it out down there. And that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Yeah, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just one big open yourself. Bye.